Buckle up, because what I'm about to reveal will completely change the way you think about motorhomes. Imagine a vehicle so secret, so advanced that until now, only whispers existed about its existence. Today, we are finally lifting the curtain on the 2026 Kenworth secret-level double-story motorhome, a masterpiece of luxury, engineering, and pure travel freedom. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving penthouse on wheels, built for those who refuse to compromise on style, space, or technology. Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the world's most extraordinary rides, and today's feature is unlike anything you've seen before. From the outside, the 2026 Kenworth commands attention with a futuristic, aerodynamic body, sculpted in premium composite materials to reduce drag while maintaining a bold, commanding stance. The signature Kenworth grille has been redesigned with a sleek, chrome black hybrid finish, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights that illuminate the road like daylight. And then there's the secret, a fully retractable second story, hidden seamlessly when driving, that expands at the push of a button to reveal an upper level lounge with panoramic 360-degree glass walls. This innovation alone sets it apart from every other luxury motorhome on the planet. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world that feels more like a five-star suite than a vehicle. The ground floor boasts an open concept, living space with Italian leather recliners, a smart fireplace, and a curved 8K OLED entertainment wall. The kitchen is fully equipped with next-gen induction tech, a smart refrigerator that orders groceries automatically, and custom marble countertops that scream luxury. Even the flooring is heated, with temperature zones that you can control via voice command. The hidden upper level is where the Kenworth secret-level magic truly shines. Accessible through a spiral staircase lined with ambient LED lighting, the upstairs transforms into a private sky lounge or guest suite. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while gazing over a mountain range through wraparound glass that can tint itself for privacy at the touch of a button. This is travel elevated, literally. Performance hasn't been overlooked either. Under the hood, a hybrid diesel, the 2026 Kenworth secret-level double-story motorhome is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making the journey itself an unforgettable experience. It's for explorers who demand the ultimate blend of technology, comfort, and prestige. This is not a vehicle you simply own. It's a lifestyle statement, a declaration that you live life without limits. So if you've ever dreamed of traveling the open road without sacrificing the luxury of a high-end residence, this motorhome delivers on every front. And here on Honest Auto Wheels, we'll keep showing you the machines that make dreams possible. The future of luxury travel is here, and it has Kenworth written all over it.